the month, so we decided to take stock of what mutual fund houses and the big mutual fund schemes have bought and sold in the month of May. And first up, let's start with SBI Equity Hybrid Fund. They've gone ahead and increased their stake across several stocks. The likes of Bharti Airtel, Bajaj Finance, Reliance Industries and Jindal Steel are at the top of that list. They've also reduced stakes across a couple of metal names, Hindalco Industries, one of them. The other stocks include Brainbees Solutions and Adani Power. These are the stocks where they've gone ahead and reduced their stake in the month of May. Meanwhile, ICICI Bank, JSW Energy and ITC is where they've increased their stake. Hindalco and Brainbees we just spoke about, where they've decreased their stake in the month of May. Let's also talk about a couple of others then, and we have SBI Large Cap Fund. They've decreased their stake in Tata Steel, Vedanta and Bharti Airtel, but they've increased their stake in Torrent Power and Samvardhana Motherson. So these are some of the portfolio changes which they have done in the month of May. SKF India, JSW Steel, Ultratech Cement and TCS are a couple of other additions, and Eicher Motors and DLF are the stocks that they've completely exited out of in the month of May. So these two stocks, Eicher Motors and DLF. Let's also talk about a couple of other changes that have happened. An HDFC Fund and HDFC Balance Advantage Fund. They've increased their stake in Britannia Industries, ICICI Bank, LIC and HDFC Bank, but they have lowered their stake in Coal India, a stock that has been in focus for the last several months, Aurobindo Pharma and Apar Industries. These are the three stocks where they've gone ahead and reduced their positions in the month of May. Other key additions in HDFC Balance Advantage funds include Union Bank, Paradeep Phosphates and Tamil Nadu Newsprint, but they've exited out of Adani Energy Solutions. Let's also talk about a couple of other changes then. HDFC Flexi Cap Fund, and a whole host of changes have been made over here. They've increased their stake in Eicher Motors, RIL, Maruti Suzuki, Max Healthcare and Kalpataru projects. They've decreased their stake in BOB, Tata Steel, ONGC, Infosys and Bajaj Auto. Some major changes that they have been done in the month of May. Meanwhile, they also increased stakes across L&T, Britannia, PB Fintech, Ashok Leyland and ICICI Bank, but they decreased stake in a couple of counters that we just mentioned. So additions have been done across several stocks by HDFC Flexi Cap Fund in the month of May, as shown in the graphic plate on your screen. So yes, several changes that have been done in the month of May, especially given the volatile times that we are living in, and hence we are seeing so many changes that we have seen in the month gone by.
All right, Shesha, thank you so much for joining us. But with that, it's time to end this edition of Buy Now Sell Now. Kavita and I will take your leave. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't go anywhere. The market action continues on ETN.